The refined Christmas home is not about filling every corner with decoration. It is about creating a quiet feeling of warmth, memory, and welcome. In a small home, every object has more presence. A ribbon, a candle, a branch of evergreen, or a soft winter throw can change the emotional tone of the room. Today, we are styling Christmas with restraint, elegance, and comfort. Not loud, not crowded, not overly perfect. Just timeless holiday beauty that makes a small and cozy space feel calm, generous, and deeply loved. The entryway is the first emotional sentence of the home. In a small space, it should whisper Christmas, not announce it too loudly. Begin with one narrow console, a small bowl of keys, and a single ribbon in a rich muted color. Let the hallway stay breathable. A simple garland around the mirror, a small framed winter print, or one candle near the door is enough. The goal is not decoration everywhere. The goal is graceful pause before the home begins. In a small living room, the Christmas tree should feel like part of the room, not an object fighting for attention. Choose a slimmer tree or place it near a corner where it can glow softly without blocking movement. Keep ornaments in a limited palette: glass, aged gold, ivory, soft green, or a little cranberry. Then echo those tones in the cushions, the throw, and the candles. These repetitions make the room feel designed rather than just decorated. A refined Christmas living room feels calm because everything is speaking the same quiet language. A refined Christmas kitchen does not need to be filled with novelty objects. In a small kitchen corner, beauty works best when it is useful. A wooden board, a folded linen towel, a bowl of oranges, a small rosemary tree can bring the season in quietly. Keep the counter mostly clean because empty space is what allows the details to feel special. Christmas in the kitchen should suggest warmth, baking, tea, and gathering, not clutter. It should feel ready for life, not staged for perfection. A reading corner may be the smallest area in the home, but emotionally, it can be the most generous. Start with a comfortable chair, a soft throw, a small side table, and one lamp. Then add Christmas gently: a candle, a little wreath, a ceramic dish with pine cones, or a ribbon tied around stacked books. The secret is intimacy. The corner should not look decorated for guests. It should feel prepared for one quiet evening, one cup of tea, and one moment of rest. That is refined holiday comfort. A small Christmas table becomes beautiful when it feels gathered rather than formal. Avoid tall centerpieces that steal space and block conversation. Instead, use a low linen runner, a few candles, evergreen clippings, small bowls, and a simple plate with quiet texture. In a small dining area, intimacy is luxury. The table should invite people to sit closer, speak softer, and stay longer. Add one emotional detail, perhaps the handwritten place card or a vintage ornament beside each plate. These small gestures make the table feel personal, timeless, and deeply warm. The bedroom is where Christmas should feel softer. This room does not need strong color or heavy decoration. Use winter white, warm beige, soft taupe, deep green, and a small amount of muted red if you want emotion. A folded quilt, a wool throw, a little wreath above the bed, or a candle on the bedside table can be enough. In a small bedroom, restraint protects rest. The room should not feel busy. It should feel like a quiet winter morning when the home is still, warm, and peaceful. The most refined homes do not forget the practical rooms. A small bathroom or a laundry room does not need much to feel seasonal. Replace one towel with a warmer texture. Add a small wreath to the door. Place a sprig of cedar near the sink or use an amber soap bottle beside a candle. In the laundry room, folded linen, a woven basket, and one simple ribbon can create order and beauty. These small choices tell the mind that every part of the home is cared for, not only the rooms guests see. A small balcony or tiny patio can become a beautiful winter threshold. You do not need a large outdoor display. One lantern, one evergreen pot, one folded blanket, and a strand of warm lights can create a feeling of welcome from the outside in. Keep the palette neutral. so it connects with the interior rather than competing with it. A small outdoor chair, a woven basket, or a weathered terracotta pot can make the space feel collected and real. Christmas here should feel quiet, hopeful, and gently glowing against the cold. A refined Christmas home is not measured by how much it contains. It is measured by how gently it supports the people who live in there. In a small home, beauty becomes powerful when it is edited with care. Choose fewer things, but let them be meaningful. Repeat the colors, leave breathing space, add warmth where the eye naturally rests. And remember, the most timeless holiday styling is not the one that impresses first. It is the one that continues to comfort you quietly every time you come home.